back again with another video. So I'm about to make some garlic bread. So I'm actually going to roast my garlic. So it's going to be a roasted garlic butter bread. So right now I am putting my garlic onto a foil. I'm going to sprinkle it with a little olive oil, and then I'm going to close it up and put it in the oven to roast. I'm going to roast this in the oven at a temperature of 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. So I have some melted butter and I'm just placing it in a bowl. And then I'm going to take my roasted garlic and I'm going to take them out of the skin, and then I'm going to chop them up really fine. You can even squeeze them out because they're so soft. It's easy to take them out. I'm going to chop this up really fine, and then I'm going to add it to the butter. Once I add that to the butter, I'm going to add some salt and also some parsley. Now, for the salt, if you're using salted butter, you don't have to add salt. But if you're using unsalted butter, which I used, then you can add the salt. I'm just going to mix that up real good. Then I'm going to get my rolls. For my rolls, I'm using the King Hawaiian, the sweet roll. You can actually use any type of roll that you like. You can even use like a roll, the homemade roll, but I'm just using the store-bought one, which was really good also and easier. So I'm just taking the garlic butter and just brushing it onto the rolls. Then I'm going to close it up and put it in the oven just for about 3 to 5 minutes. You just want the butter to get melted. So the max I put it for was 5 minutes because I wanted it to have a little toast, get a little toasted. This is the finished bread. It smells so nice and garlicky. So I hope that you try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.